Write the repeating decimal as a simplified fraction. To begin analyzing the decimal, notice only the 2 is repeating. We can write the given decimal as 0.8192 with a bar over the 2, which is equal to 0.819 plus 0.0002 plus 0.00002 plus 0.000002, and so on. From here we'll determine the infinite sum of this part of the series, which is an infinite geometric series. Focusing on this part of the sum, notice the first term is 0.0002. We'll call this a sub 1 for our infinite geometric series. Now if we want to, we can also convert to fractions. Let's also show this. 0.819 is 819 thousandths. Then we have plus 2 ten thousandths plus 2 hundred thousandths plus 2 millionths, and so on. This also indicates we can write a sub 1 in fraction form as 2 ten thousandths, which simplifies to 1 5,000th. And that's if we can determine the common ratio r for the geometric series part. Focusing on the denominators, notice we are multiplying the previous denominator by 10 to get the next fraction in the series, which indicates 2 ten thousandths times 1/10 is 2 hundred thousandths. 2 hundred thousandths times 1/10 is 2 millionths, and so on. This indicates the common ratio r is 1/10, and because the absolute value of r is less than 1, we can determine the sum of the infinite geometric series part using the formula s equals a sub 1 divided by the quantity 1 minus r, which in our case indicates the infinite sum is equal to 1 5,000th divided by 1 minus r, 1 minus 1/10. Simplifying, we have 1 5,000th divided by 9/10. Dividing by 9/10 is equivalent to multiplying by the reciprocal of 10/9. We have 1 5,000th times 10/9. Simplifying before multiplying, so 1 10 and 10, 500 tens and 5,000. The infinite sum is equal to 1 4500th. And now going back to our work, we now know the given repeating decimal is equal to 819 1,000ths plus 1 4500th. And now let's find the sum. This will give us the fraction for the given repeated decimal. Notice the least common denominator is 9,000. We'll multiply the first fraction by 9 over 9, multiply the second fraction by 2 over 2. Notice this does give us the least common denominator of 9,000. And the numerator is 819 times 9 plus 1 times 2, which gives us 7,373 divided by 9,000. And this does not simplify, and now we know the given repeating decimal of 0.8192 with the 2 repeating is equal to 7,373 9,000ths. Before we go, let's verify this on the calculator. The easiest way to verify this would be to enter the fraction and see if it does match the repeating decimal. Let's go ahead and enter 7,373 divided by 9,000. And notice it does match the given repeating decimal. To verify the fraction is simplified, we can click Convert to Fraction And notice we get the same fraction returned, which verifies the fraction is in simplified form. I hope you found this helpful.